have this lesson. Okay, so we are going to first of all try build this thing here. We are going to be building this thing. We are going to see how we can come up with such an image in the Microsoft Office. Okay, this one is like a logo. Most of you did it, others were somehow editing.
That one is a presentation?
No.
Under presentation?
It's not under presentation. It's just like, this is just like using shapes and the text boxes.
Okay.
So this is just a logo. You can find a company which can tell you to design for it a logo. So you can build up an idea from this one. Where you see this is, even if it is a company, I think you can see that this one is a very good logo that a company can even use it on its documents and the stuffs, right?
Yeah.
Yes, it is very good actually. So now, what we gonna do? So now we are going to come. We go to insert. This is Microsoft Word. This is where we're going to do this from. So we go to insert. Then we shall be using shapes, right? We're going to be using what? Shapes. First of all, we are going to look at this. Brian. Brian, Obani aleka na bannange.
Nedda seba si.
Okay, aleka na agezeko okusirika then tubire. Okay, then this is the shape. So the first thing we are going to identify the shapes that they used. So we're going to come here. Let me try to minimize also this. Okay. Then I also minimize this. I want to be looking at this, both of them. Okay. So I come to insert. I will see these shapes here. I look for the shape that can give me this. Let me first get this. I draw it here like this. This is the first shape, right? So this shape here, I'm gonna be using this shape to do the following stuff. Which color is this? This is a red. I go to format. I go to shape fill. You see, when you bring a shape on this document, when you tap on it, this word will come drawing tools. Hope guys, you all see drawing tools. So on drawing tools, you go to format. After coming to format, then you will find shape of fill. What is shape of fill? Shape of fill, this is just the color that fills within this one. Where you see blue, so the shape of fill, this is where we find a color. So we can choose this red. What is the outline color for this? Outline is also red. We go to format, outline, also choose red. So this is our first shape. So I can copy this one still. I copy and paste it and paste. So we have two shapes. So this one, I need to change it to face this side. How will I do this? I can use this one. You see? This arrow you see, it helps it rotate. You guys see? This is where most of you have been failing. This one helps it to rotate. So what is the color of this one? This is like blue. I come to shape, then shape fill, choose blue. Let me take this. Then outline, also choose blue. Okay. Let me see how is it. Then these ones, they are like connected. Or won't be the short ones. There is a short one like this. This one a little bit like this. So this one here, they are like, they wanted to touch each other. So I bring it, come closer. I also bring this one, come closer a little bit. I enlarge a little bit. This one I enlarge also a little bit. So if at all you are not seeing it properly, whether it is in the line, you can go to view and bring the guidelines. You see, these guidelines can help you put it on the same line. This is on that line and this is on that line. You see, this one is greater than this. So what we'll do, I also make this one touch like this. Guys, do you know how I got the guidelines? So this one is touching here. And this one is here. Hey, let me use this. No, not that. I want this. Hey, Kana. Okay. No, they are not the same. See, a bit bigger.
The red one also needed to be adjusted.
Huh?
The red one also needed to be adjusted.
Evichi? So I go back to view, I remove these guidelines. So I come, I see. This one, they are also attached. So these ones are attached to each other. These ones are attached to each other like this, okay. Okay. Okay.
Red also needed to be adjusted.
Okay, these ones, they are attached to each other like this.
Good evening to you. How are you, brother?
We're good, man. So now, let me go back and see, we need this circle here. I go to insert, shapes. Hope guys you're following it. So
Yeah,
I
we
see
are following.
this. So you see when you put a cursor, it will show you that this is an oval. So the flowchart connector, I need a circle. But an oval can be also a circle. Basic shapes oval. Okay, let me take
go
it.
up.
This one is also okay. Which color is this? Blue for this one, okay. I go to this, I fill with this, I outline with this one. I can increase it a little bit, according to how I want. So now,
It is in a blue color.
this is blue. The blue may vary, but that one is also blue. This is like light blue, this is like dark blue. This R, so this R, I go to shapes, I can copy this one. If I don't want to waste a lot of time, but let me waste a lot of time. I go, I bring a circle, right? I go to insert shapes, then I bring a circle, right? Or an override this. I first draw it aside. Let me draw a big one. So from there, I need to write inside. Add the text. I need the R adjust. Okay. Else I can go to insert word art. Then I choose this. I choose this, I say R, only word art. So because word art, it will come like a text box. So now, after doing that, doing this, let me first enlarge this R. R is in which color? Hey, blue, okay. Hey. Let me highlight it. I put it to 36 first. Then I go to my shape. My shape, I make sure I put it in the center of R. I reduce it. I reduce it. I reduce it. I reduce it still. And first zoom the whole document for the good results. I reduce it. I reduce this. Guys, remember when you are in the graphics, you must be careful. Don't just rush, because when you rush and you make mistake, don't say I didn't tell you. When you rush and you make mistakes. Okay. So now, this one is also in blue. Shape format. Blue. Okay, this is R. I need the shape. Put blue. Wait.
Ate bw'ogenda n'ogijja mu gundi mu symbols.
Symbols.
Because it's not a mere R, it's an original whatever sort of site.
Yeah, symbols sort I'm assuming in case. Why is it not? Hey, the field is here. This is also, yeah, there is also ready-made, but what if you do not have this already made stuff? Is this real like this? Hey, this one has no outline, right? What's this one entering? Yeah, you can get this one already made R, but you are building this from scratch, right? So I come to shape fill, I say no fill, so that this can be a 0. Let me even bring it here. Rani, you want to be lazy by only getting R from this.
Because I try to do what? To form it in how do you do it? Bracket then R, open bracket, R close bracket, but they refuse it until I get it from the symbols.
So you did what? From symbols. Until you got it from symbols, eh?
Yes.
Nakati now, these ones are very small, right? Naera tevayo bulungi kiraba. Do you know why it is like this? So when you are doing this, you must know which font size did they, which font face like this one did they use? Meaning that we must go to font and find which one they use that can suit the exact this one. So suppose we select our R like this. Then we come to this, come to this, then check on this. So wait. Hey. Hey. Coming too small. Charlie. So now we increase this. Anyo yalekana. Eddoboozi nga liringa lya John. Nnyo akukwasa obusungu ate. Ntekantekewo naako. So guys, you see I have done this, but still you can, like Brian said, you can get this already done in R. Already done. Brian, what did you? Let's shapes, designs. But if you did it from scratch, big up to you. Because I wanted you to do it from scratch, not to waste a lot of time. Let's see, are we doing this? Okay. So this word, modern computer world UG, that one you can do it just using a text box. Insert text box. Modern computer world. Computer world, then you select it. You increase it to the font size. Font size. See. Okay. Font size, you increase it. From there, you go to home, choose this font. Which one is this? This one is like impact. Impact. Arial Black, right? Arial Black. No, it's not Arial Black. It's like impact. Let me try impact. Yeah. See? I think it is also bold. Okay. Then I increase the font size again. The font size. Okay. So this one is here. You just place space. Come in, bring it here. Choose the font size to the font color to blue. This one was also supposed to be light blue. Supposed to be light blue. This one was supposed to be also light blue. Okay. So now we are going to remove this outline. When we click here, we come to drawing, then format. We go to shape, fill, we remove the fill, no fill. Shape outline, we say no outline. So this one will be able to be alone. Another thing maybe we need to do here is, you see the space between computer and world is not the same as this one. So this one are a little bit closer to each other, and these ones are a little bit far away from each other. So we shall go here, align. Line is the same, this one is the same. Position, no. Direction, no. Okay. We are going to home. We got paragraph and spacing. Or we remove that is embedded in you. When we remove, that is the little space there. Okay. Okay. Good. All right. Okay. So now what else are we going to do? Bring it in the center. Yeah, we have tried.
Yeah.
We have tried. So how do we know that these are the shapes? So guess we go to page color, change, see? When we change, they don't interfere anything. See? This is what? This is what? So you can save this, go to file, save as. Let me save to desktop. I name it my logo. Yes. Then I save it in PDF. Yes, madam.
Okay,
then save. Okay. Background color, guys, this is how PDF looks like. Background color. Background color, you come to design. Huh? When you go to design at the extreme end where there is page background, you see, come to design, then page background, you see there is watermark, page color, and page borders. So page color, you come here, these are the page colors, you see.
Okay.
But this thing is not tilted well.
Nakugambye ndakibuzeemu kiringa ekyange.
Kayagala kutandika kumanyira musomesa oyo.
Ngambye ndakoze
Akubye.
ekintu.
Akubiddewo omusomesa atayagala kumanya.
So, anti fe abasomesa mutumanyi, we give simple example, we give hard exercise. Si bwe kiri. Because for us, we want to feel lazy all the time. So you can do as very many logos as you can. One of Office Word. Office Word is the ekola buli kimu kasitogiwa obudde. So this is it. This is it.
No, symbol ya R.
Someone is suggesting. Yes, please.
Symbol ya R tunyiga kikono ku keyboard okugifuka.
Symbol ya R kunyiga keyboard. The symbol ya R nga njikubyewo obukubi.
Okubyewo nkube.
I built it from scratch. Let me see. Oh. Let me first bring this online no screen keyboard. Oh. So build it from scratch. It will help you also increase on your creativity. Let's save this instead, guys. Huh? Saako nzize ne bwenti nengenda mu shapes nenkimeno saako olengera mukama wange nenkuba saako nengenda nengamba insert you can use word art, or a text box and write R, just R. Then R jigaziye ebere nene like this, maybe change its what? Change its font. You can put it to the right full. Let me see, impact, see, agency, Arial, arrow. Let me put to Tahoma, and see. No. Let me put to Garamond. Okay. So this one, then you come to this shape, go to format, say no fill, so that this color can go away. Then you fill with it with the light blue.
How are you?
Then on this outline, you can put the weight.
Wi-Fi.